signing time.
Oh, baby Santa.
Thank you. Thank you. Can you do the sign for baby signing time, Willa?
Baby, shut up.
Can you do the sign for it?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Q, R, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? That's right. Do you want to do jumping? See how I'm jumping, jumping, jumping. See how I'm bouncing like a ball. You didn't know I could jump so high. You didn't know I could stand so still. See how I'm jumping, jumping, jumping. When I'm tired, down I flop. Aren't you going to flop? Good job. You put the oil in the pot. Who are Juju's cats? What are her cats' names? Meow. Is one Maxie? Who's Maxie's brother? Maxie and Jackson. That's right. Jackson and Maxie. Hey Willa, I have your Christmas cards here. Can you tell me who these people are? Who's this? Who's that? Iris. Who's this? Pony. And Claire. Who's this? Bennett. Who's this? Aton. Who's this? That's right. Who's this? Henry. Who's this? You're welcome. You're welcome. Who's that? Who's in your hand? Who's Ryan? Who's this? Owen. You like Owen. Who's this? Timmy. Who's this? Who? Hannah. That's right. Who's this? Cam. Who's this? Who is it? Aiden. Who's this? Victoria, yeah. You like Victoria. Who's this? Maxie. Who's this? Hilaria. That's a hard one. Who's that? Who's this?
Ruby.
Another Ruby. And another Cam. And all of your friends. All of your friends. Can you say bye to the camera? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.